Hello everyone, welcome to English e-learning class. Last time we have started our chapter number 9 of English practice book Future Time Reference. Now we are going to start with worksheet number 8 of chapter number 9. It is about future perfect. So here it's written from unit Future World of the Reader book of your class 7. You have read that by 2050, scientists will have had a detailed description of how life began. So these are some of the predictions by the scientists about human life, about human being. Now, what you have to notice is all the words written in the bold tells about the actions that will have been completed by a definite period of time in future. So you have seen that here it is written will have read, will have increased, will have established. So these will have, will had plus third form indicates future perfect tense. For example, it is written by 2050, scientists will have understood how life began. So it means will have. Will always indicate future और perfect का हम क्या लगा रहे हैं साथ में have. और has हो या have हो आपको पता है थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब हमेशा आती है. Understand का क्या लगा है understood. So let us see what does future perfect tense says. Future perfect tells about the actions that have been completed by a definite time in future. मतलब अभी हुआ नहीं है लेकिन फ्यूचर में तब तक ये काम हो जाएगा. इसका रूल क्या होता है will plus have plus third form of verb like will have increased, will have established. So this worksheet number 9 is based on future perfect tense where it is a timeline chart and you have to take hints from the examples given below using your own imagination. So let us see what is in the timeline chart. By year 2500 AD, there are some of the different fields given in which you have to make the predictions about the future, like in medicine, technology, in fashion and in food. And some examples are written like in fashion they have said belts will have gone out of fashion. So will have मतलब अभी हुई नहीं है लेकिन 2500 AD तक वो हो जाएंगी. So in this way you have to use your own imagination and write down different predictions using will have and third form. Like one of the example I have written, in field of medicines injections will have cured cancer. अभी तक कैंसर ट्रीटमेंट नहीं है लेकिन फ्यूचर में हो सकता है. नाउ वर्कशीट नंबर 10. So here goes it. Mr. Kumar will be visiting his company office at 10 a.m. on Tuesday. So given below is a picture of his office taken at 2 p.m. on Monday. अब 2 p.m. में आप देख सकते हो एक दिन पहले उनके ऑफिस का क्या हाल था. So observe the picture and you have to write the changes that will have been made before his arrival. अब नेचुरली पर्सन के आने से पहले यहाँ पर चेंजेस तो करने पड़ेंगे, ऑफिस को साफ करना पड़ेगा. सो लेट अस सी what will have been done before his arrival. So this exercise is based on future perfect tense. Like sweeper clean floor. Sweeper will have cleaned floor. Will have future perfect, clean का क्या बनेगा cleaned. Painter paint wall. The painter will have painted the wall. So in this way you have to write all the sentences by your own. Now next come to the next page and again there are written some of the few sentences which are to be done by Mr. Gupta, Mr. Sharma, Mr. Verma. What are going to do before the arrival? You have to write the sentences. Next is worksheet number 11. Ruchi's friend will visit her at 5 o'clock in the evening and she has made a list of the things to be done before the visit. उनके आने से पहले उसने एक लिस्ट बना ली है कि वो क्या क्या करने वाली है. Now read the list and write the sentences what she will have done. So again you have to use the future perfect tense. Clean my room, complete homework. So this is the list: iron my school dress, wash my clothes, cook food, make my bag. So using the list, you have to frame the sentences using will have plus third form. So first has been done for you. Ruchi will have cleaned her room. पर फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस, फ्यूचर परफेक्ट का क्या आ गया? विल प्लस हैव, और विल हैव के साथ हमेशा, हैव के साथ हमेशा क्या आता है? थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. तो ऐसे ही क्लीन का आपने क्लीन्ड बना दिया, कंप्लीट का कंप्लीटेड, कुक कुकड बनेगा, और साथ में क्या आएगा? हर होमवर्क, हर फूड, हर क्लोथ्स, लाइक दिस. Now next exercise is do it yourself exercise. It is a die exercise where you have to complete the dialogues given below. Always remember that for completing the dialogues, you have to, suppose in second line you have to write the answer, you first of all had to read that whether it is mentioned here as a question or at an answer. If there is a question, then you have to write the answer in the same tense as in which the question is asked. Like Suman is a conversation between Suman and Priya. You can see what Suman is asking Priya. Priya, where are you going to, when are you going to Jaipur? So means she is asking the question. The question is framed by using a are. तो नेचुरली आपका जो आंसर होगा वो भी इज़, एम और में ही होगा. नाउ प्रिया रिप्लाइड आई एम गोइंग टू जयपुर दिस ट्यूसडे. मतलब वो कब जा रही है? तो वो नेक्स्ट ट्यूसडे जा रही है with her parents. And then she said we are going for 5 days and return on Sunday. अब नेचुरली नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या पूछ रही है सुमन? विल डैश और एट योर आंट्स प्लेस. तो नेचुरली वो क्या पूछेगी कि कहाँ रहोगे आप. सो इट इज़ अ डायलॉग विच इज़ बेस्ड ऑन द लिंक्स. आपको लिंक्स के बेसिस पर और टेंसेस के बेसिस पर ही अपने आंसर्स को लिखना है. यू कैन राइट योर आंसर्स बाय यूजिंग योर ओन इमेजिनेशन, बट टेक केयर ऑफ द टेंसेस. जिस टेंस में क्वेश्चन है उसी टेंस में आपका आंसर होना चाहिए. अगर वो प्रेजेंट में पूछ रहा है तो प्रेजेंट में आपका आंसर, अगर वो फ्यूचर विल में पूछ रहा है तो आपका आंसर भी विल में ही होना चाहिए. And next exercise is based on the passage which has not been edited. It is an error exercises, and errors, you know that one word is wrong in each of the following line. So you have to underline the incorrect words and write the correct words. This exercise you have to do it yourself, students, because we have already done the errors in our previous videos, that how to use error, how to do errors in the exams. And next, again on last page of the book of this chapter number 9, it is page number 120. Again it is a dialogue completion. The dialogues between Aarti and Nidhi, that they are making up predictions about the what they are going to do before 2050. Again you have to use a future perfect tense. Like she said, I will have finished my schooling. निधि सेट बाय बिफोर 2025 आई विल हैव, यहाँ पे डू लिखा है, यूज़ द वर्ब्स, सबके साथ थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब लगेगी. डू का डन बन गया, डन MBA. नेक्स्ट स्वाति सेट बिफोर 2025 आई विल हैव, गेट है तो गॉट मैरिड. सो इन दिस वे यू हैव टू राइट द आंसर्स यूजिंग द फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस. थैंक यू.